Dear students, see the next one from 10th standard NCERT exercise problem number 14 from electricity. See the question, compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuit. So two different circuit is given. So in this circuit we are going to calculate the power value at particular resistor. That is the question. See that the first question, a 6 volt battery. So battery voltage is given 6 voltage in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. So R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm. It is in series connection. Okay, so now in the circuit we are going to calculate the power. Okay, so please listen. Now it is the R1, R2 in series connection with this battery V. Okay, so current flowing through the circuit is I. You know very well, here the resistance is R1, that is 1 ohm, then R2, that is 2 ohm. So, but now the question, what about the power value, what is it, in that 2 ohm resistor? But you know very well, this is in series connection. In series connection, current value is constant. So here the power formula we should use, I should come. So that is I squared R, because the same I only across R1, that is 1 ohm resistor, and across R2 and 2 ohm resistor. So the same current only will flow through the R2. So here we are going to calculate the power value. Okay. So the power value, I can write the formula, that is a power is equal to I squared. Why I use I squared? Why is I means because in the series connection current is constant. So I squared into R. R value expressly what? Expressly is 2 ohm. That is R2. Okay. Right. And the next one, that is a power value, that is a P is equal to I squared. So we should find that I squared value, that is I value, current value. So how to find the current value? Okay. So first we must calculate current value, then only it is possible to substitute here. So now I calculate first current value. Okay. Therefore effective resistance. So now I can write the effective resistance Rs is equal to R1 plus R2, because in series connection. Therefore Rs is equal to 1 ohm plus 2 ohm. Therefore Rs is equal to 3 ohm. Therefore now we can calculate the power is equal to, current value. I is equal to, V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R. Okay. So now the voltage value, is a 6 voltage. Therefore 6 divided by resistance is what? 3. So 6 by 3 is, that is a 2 ampere. So current value is 2 ampere. So now therefore power is equal to I squared R. Power is equal to I square. What about I square value? That is 2 ampere. That is a 2 ampere square. Okay. Then into R value. R value expressly we are going to calculate in 2 ohm. So that is 2 ohm. So power is equal to 2 squared is 4. 4 into 2, 8. So 8 watt is the answer. Okay. Now the first question is over. Okay. Now see the second question. Second question, that voltage is given as 4 volt. Then resistance 1 is given, that is a 12 ohm, and then resistance 2 is given, that is 2 ohm. Okay. Now in the circuit they are calculate the power. Okay. Actually this is in parallel circuit. So how the circuit will come? So R1, then R2, then it will be connected with the battery. Okay. So R1, that is 1 ohm, R2, that is 2 ohm. So here what about the power value? But you know very well this is parallel combination. So battery voltage is 4 voltage. The same voltage will across R1 and R2 in all the case. Because you know very well in the parallel connection voltage is constant. Okay, in series connection current is constant, here voltage is constant. So power and voltage related formula. So here current and voltage related formula, sorry, current and power related formula. Like that here voltage and power related formula, that is power is equal to V squared by R. Okay, so V value, what about V value? 4 voltage, that is a 4 into 4 divided by resistance across 2 ohm only, it is 2 ohm. So you know, one time here, 2 times, so 4 into 2 8. So power is equal to 8 watt. Okay, so if you observe in the both question, here also power value 8 watt, and then second question also power value 8 watt. So especially that power, what is that? The power dissipated by the 2 ohm resistor in first case is 8 watt. Likewise in the second case also 8 watt. So I hope you understand this question. Okay, thank you.